Challenges and Evolution of the AEF Personnel Replacement System during World War I. Welcome to an in-depth exploration of the American Expeditionary Forces and the critical challenges of their personnel replacement system during World War I. As the AEF fought on the Western Front, the complexity of replacing personnel lost due to combat, sickness, or other causes posed a substantial logistical challenge. When the AEF entered the fray, initial strategies proposed designating one division per corps for depot functions and another for replacements. This method faced a swift demise due to the realities of German offensives in the spring of 1918, which necessitated the rapid adaptation of plans. The AEF lacked sufficient manpower to maintain both depot and replacement divisions. Instead, the designated replacement divisions were forced into combat roles, straining an already burdened system. To address the ongoing pressures, a more structured replacement system evolved. The AEF established regional replacement depots, primarily the 1st and 2nd depots at Saint-Digon-Noyers and Le Mans. These two depots alone processed over 90% of replacements, reflecting a strategic concentration of resources. The depots were specialized, handling soldiers based on specific needs: infantry, machine gun, coast artillery, field artillery, trench artillery, engineers, and signal specialists each had their designated processing points. The procedural role of these depots was multifaceted. Soldiers arrived as casuals, organized into provisional companies before receiving new uniforms and equipment. They were then systematically processed for deployment to the front lines. The deployment efficiency mirrored supply chain logistics, where regulating officers assigned personnel to divisional needs, facilitating their movement via train to forward areas. Divisions actively engaged in combat often postponed receiving replacements until they could withdraw from the front, ensuring optimal integration. While originally the AEF envisaged thorough training in Europe, the exigency of combat led to significant shortfalls. Many replacements received minimal training, often insufficient, as noted in reports by officers such as Johnson Hagood. For instance, Hagood recounted replacements arriving without ever having fired a rifle, highlighting a critical gap in preparedness due to rushed deployments amidst escalating combat demands. Adapting to shortages became essential. Despite improvements, a persistent problem was the insufficient flow of replacements to sustain existing divisions. During the Meuse-Argonne offensive, General Pershing implemented drastic measures by breaking down new divisions to reinforce depleted ones, illustrating a reactive strategy to personnel shortages. The AEF faced a breadth of human resource management challenges beyond replacements. The creation of the Personnel Bureau, later transitioned into the Personnel Division, showcased a structured attempt to manage promotions, assignments, and awards, which were crucial amidst the chaotic operational environment. The Central Records Office sprang into action, addressing confusion. It established serial numbers to accurately manage and maintain evolving personnel records, processing over 300,000 casualty reports, an arduous but crucial task for maintaining morale and family contacts. Significant logistical innovations included the formation of a dedicated military postal service. Poor mail management led to significant disruptions before the establishment of this service at Bourges, improving communications despite war-induced adversities. This initiative, alongside collaboration with organizations like the British Women's Army Auxiliary Corps, signified the adaptation to wartime resource challenges. Personnel management in the services of supply required constant adaptation amid bureaucratic slowdowns. The newly formed Transportation Service relied heavily on diverse civilian skills, blending them with military resources. Efforts to obtain personnel were hampered by misalignments between Army systems and emergent wartime needs, prompting reforms that highlighted the significance of skilled resource allocation. In conclusion, the AEF's personnel replacement system during World War I navigated complex challenges with evolving strategies and systemic innovations. While many issues remained unresolved by the war's end, the experience informed subsequent military personnel strategies, embodying a legacy of adaptation under adversity. Thank you for joining this detailed analysis of the AEF's personnel replacement challenges during World War I. Engage with us in the comments below. Share your thoughts and insights. Stay tuned for upcoming content where we continue to explore pivotal military developments and historical insights. Until next time, stay informed and engaged.